This is Charlie here, and in today's video, I'll be going through with you a quick update about PancakeBunny. If you have been away for quite some time and you go back to your PancakeBunny Bunny tokens, you might be in for a surprise because PancakeBunny or the Bunny token has plummeted by more than 90% of its price value from about $300 to about $30 as of now. And this is due to the fact that recently PancakeBunny has been subjected to a flash loan exploit that causes a large amount of Bunny tokens being minted and dumped into the market. But rather focusing on the negatives of what has happened to PancakeBunny itself, PancakeBunny team has put together this go-forward plan and introduced numerous positive changes and updates to their investors and the crypto community to show that they are still in this DeFi space for the long term. So let us explore and look into these new updates that they are putting forth. But before I deep dive into the updates themselves, I would like to share with you that we are having this giveaway contest for our crypto starter pack that consists a copy of our book, Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course, and $100 worth of BNB or MATIC token of your choosing. If you wish to participate in this giveaway contest, just go to the link in the description box down below. And also, do join our socials such as our Twitter and Telegram group TokenClan for more in-depth updates on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. If you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell for more videos such as this. Without further ado, let's get started. Right now, we are at pancakebunny.medium.com, which is their Medium article website, and this is their go-forward plan. From their go-forward plan, we are able to understand what PancakeBunny team has put up in terms of their plan and what they have in store for us as investors. Basically, this is a summarized version. The contents will talk about the exploit, their objectives, including their Bunny emissions, their Bunny compensation pool or compensation plan for those who are affected, especially the Bunny token holders, and other plans as well included in this go forward plan. They want to make it clear to all the investors out there is that their vaults are safe, so no amount was actually stolen from their vaults, but instead the hacker itself was able to gain $45 million from this incident through his flash loan attack. And they explain where did this money come from if not from the vaults. This was actually an exploit that combined a flash loan attack and took advantage of this low liquidity on PancakeSwap to mint 6.9 million Bunny tokens and then dump it on the market. So the PancakeBunny team has researched and isolated this vulnerability, detailed a post-mortem, and have a fix in place. They have an article that details the entire post-mortem report, which I will show you shortly. But in terms of their compensation plan, they have listed some of the information right here that you can spend your time to look through it. So this is the post-mortem analysis that they have written, and if we go through the information that is being listed here, they have summarized the entire act of the exploit. The exploiter started the attack using PancakeSwap, and by exploiting this difference in PancakeSwap pricing, the hacker intentionally manipulated the price of these pairs and acquired a huge amount of Bunny through the use of flash loans. And eventually, the exploiter dumped all these Bunny tokens in the market, causing the price of the Bunny token to plummet. And which later on, the exploiter exited the attack by paying back the remaining BNB on PancakeSwap. And if you wish to know the entire detailed process, you just read through the article here. PancakeBunny team has done a tremendous job by writing out all this information here, so it is transparent and clear to you what actually happened. And after the attack happened, PancakeBunny quickly analyzed the problem and then came out with this plan to quickly to restore the working status of PancakeBunny, as well as trying to restore the confidence of the investors involved. They implemented new security measures that is highlighted in this article here. They talk about the emissions rate. So the emission rate of Bunny is 15 Bunny per BNB right now. If you have known previously, the Bunny emission was reduced from 5 to 3, and right now is being increased to 15 Bunny. And they have created this P-Bunny compensation pool to compensate all the affected Bunny token holders. And of course, if you are interested or wish to know what they did to enhance their code security, you can read more in depth to understand what they did to it. They also have introduced a slew of other new updates. They have introduced this Bunny pods, which is actually like a lottery. And to enhance their security, they will partner with Chainlink to deliver a slate of innovative products and services, which is a very positive thing that we should look forward to. And last but not least, in their Medium article is talking about this discontinuation of the Bunny boost. As part of their larger actions to decrease the excess supply of Bunny tokens, the team has decided to discontinue the Bunny boost pool precisely at 2 a.m. UTC time on June the 7th. So this is the date and time that you need to take note of. So the thing to note is that all of these updates can be found on their Medium page. And right now we shall go to their main application. Straight off the bat, you see that they have included like this announcement or updates section here, so you will not miss out any of these latest updates from PancakeBunny itself. And you can see the compensation pool that they have created. You see that this P-Bunny is calculated based on the number of Bunny tokens that you have held just prior to the flash loan attack. PancakeBunny team will calculate that out, and the amount of P-Bunny deposited here is actually equivalent to the number of Bunny tokens that you had held prior to the attack. And each day from 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. UTC time is the time where they will update the rewards for you. And you can claim your rewards daily if you wish to. And these rewards will be ongoing daily for 90 days. And as you can see right now, about 15 days has passed. So 15 days of rewards or compensation has been released to each Bunny token holder. And one question that you might ask is that since I have rewards here, right, should I claim it daily? My answer to you is that if the rewards produced here is significant enough or more than the gas fee that you are paying, then you can claim it daily and then stick it back into the various PancakeBunny pools. So normally my rule of claiming the rewards is the gas fees I'm paying is less than 5% of my total claim rewards value, then I will claim it. So once you claim your BNB, Bunny and Cake tokens, you can just put it back into the respective pools to allow you to yield farm for more rewards. Up next is their lottery or jackpot. So this is the new feature that I've shared with you, the no loss jackpot for Bunny lovers. They have started it just last week, and they are opening up for round 2. The first round has concluded, and you have various different jackpots that you can participate in. And for each jackpot, there is a limit to how many tokens that you can use to participate in. Right now, we are waiting for the new pot to open up. The previous jackpot entry requires a maximum of only 100 cake tokens. And for this Bunny jackpot, I believe it should be the same amount. And for this Bunny premium, the entry has already concluded and they are farming it. And the funds are being locked for 7 days. And to quickly brief you about this jackpot mechanism is that if you take 100 cake tokens, you lock it up for 7 days together with the rest of the other cake tokens contributed by the cake holders. They will use the entire amount to perform yield farming, and after the end of 7 days, the rewards from the yield farm will be up and awarded to the one lucky winner of this jackpot. And the amount of cake tokens that you have staked into the jackpot, you can proceed to claim them back again. So what this means is when you participate in this jackpot or lottery, you do not really lose your initial tokens that you have staked into this jackpot. But what you will be missing out on is the opportunity cost of you using that 100 cake tokens to, stake in other PancakeBunny pools to earn rewards. So that is the loss that you will be having in terms of opportunity cost. So in this case, unless you have huge amount of cake tokens or bunny tokens, and taking out 100 cake tokens or 100 bunny tokens to participate in this jackpot constitutes only about less than 30% of your entire holdings, then I would say you can go ahead and participate in this jackpot. But if you only have a small amount of cake holdings or bunny token holdings, my suggestion to you is not to participate in this jackpot. And one last thing that I want to remind you about is that this bunny boost pool, which is this one, is going to be discontinued on June 7, 2 a.m. UTC time. So this will only affect the bunny boost pool. And keep in mind that no action is needed for the bunny BNB pool, as it will still exist as it is. So this will be affected and this will not be affected. So a reminder to you is that before the deadline, just exit. That means you claim and withdraw your entire bunny tokens holding and put it into perhaps this bunny BNB flip token pool, or putting it into this bunny pool to earn these BNB rewards. In my opinion, PancakeBunny team has done an excellent job in handling the flash loan attack situation and propose plans on how to compensate the investors, as well as to rebuild back the investors' confidence in PancakeBunny's project. And their actions says a lot about their team commitment and the longevity of this PancakeBunny project itself. I hope that you have enjoyed today's content. Do drop a like and comment in the box down below. What do you think of PancakeBunny's team handling of the entire situation and their plans moving forward? And also, if you are new to our channel, do hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell, as well as join our socials such as our Twitter and Telegram group TokenClan for more in-depth discussions on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And not forgetting to participate in our giveaway contest for our crypto starter pack that consists a copy of our book Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course, and $100 worth of BNB or MATIC token of your choosing. All the links are in the description box down below. With that, I'll see you in the next video.